Hey there, got a minute? Let's make your PC work smarter, not harder. First up, let's talk about the magic of Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. Copy and paste like a pro. This one's a game changer for students and office warriors alike. Next, try Alt plus Tab to switch between open apps in a flash. Perfect for when you're juggling between that game and your homework. Speaking of quick access, Windows plus D minimizes all your open windows. Need a breather or a quick desktop check? Boom! You're right there. Now here's a hidden gem. Windows plus L locks your screen instantly. Stepping away for a snack? Keep your stuff safe with this nifty trick. Feeling cluttered? Use Windows plus E to open File Explorer. It's like a shortcut to your digital filing cabinet. And for those late-night sessions, Windows plus plus opens the magnifier. Zoom in to save your eyes and sanity. Last but not least, don't forget to use Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Accidentally closed a tab in your browser? This combo brings it back like magic. So there you have it. 6 simple shortcuts to make your PC life easier. Try them out and thank us later. Happy computing!